Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss to you guys on how to write a program that will ask the user 3 quizzes, and then it will compute the average and then remarks whether the student will pass or fail in a particular subject using object-oriented programming approach in C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. So we have here sharp include the IO stream for input output. This file is very important in every C++ program because it allows us for input output command like console in, console out, for loop statement, if else statement for example, and then sharp include IO manip, input output manipulator that we'll be using for decimal places. Okay, sharp define max. Define, we are declaring maximum number of quizzes, that is 3. In short, max is constant using namespace class student private string name max 3, quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3 starts by q1, q2, q3 integer float. We have 3 parameters a, b and c, integer, public, get the record and then display. So void here colon get record. Using for loop statement, we are accepting inputs from the user. So 3 grades of the student, quiz 1, quiz 2 is stored in an array, and then here we display the value here. Display CLS, system CLS will works only in code blocks and then C++. Average quiz in OP in C++. OP means object-oriented programming. So name quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, average remarks. Using for loop statement, it will display the name quiz and then average, and then we have also here the remarks here, computing of the average here, q1, q2, q3. So the average here, pass or failed. And then we have here another function for student, 3 parameters a, b and c, return a plus b plus c divided by 3. In main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. Student class, we create an object course, get reg input and then display result, and then we close the main body of our main function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go to execute, compile and run. Name, let's see, Virgilio 18, 87, 82. Next, Mario got a failing grade 67, 71, 73. Jose 88, 76, 75. Okay, so we have here the output of Virilio passed, Mario failed, and Jose passed. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on average quiz in object-oriented programming or OP in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.